Do you guys have multi-tool trimmers that y'all spend a boatload of money on attachments? And you're looking for a cheaper way to save you a boatload of money? If so, you clicked the right video.
Random Acts of Lawn Care.
Alright guys, I know everybody's always looking for a way to save money. And for those of you who've been subscribed to me for a long time, y'all know back in the day, I used to use Troy-Bilt trimmers. I used them up until the point where I found you can't use a Troy-Bilt trimmer on the daily, and I killed all of them. So from that point, I switched to Echo. With a brief stay at Shadawa, I switched to Echo, and I've been using it ever since. But I haven't really brought no attachments for the Echo except hedging attachments. And last summer, I ran into a situation. I needed a pole saw, and I forget how much the pole saw attachment costs. I'm thinking it's between $200 to $300, right? So I'm thinking about getting it. Then I remembered something. I remember one of my customers at the beginning of the summer last year randomly gave me a Troy-Bilt trimmer. And I looked at it and I'm like, what am I gonna do with this Troy-Bilt trimmer? I put it in the shed and it sat there ever since. Up until that point when I needed the pole saw. Then I remembered when I used to use my Troy-Bilt trimmer, I had a pole saw attachment. So I went back to my shed, I pulled out that trimmer, and I looked at it and come to find out, yes, it was a Troy-Bilt trimmer, but it was a 4-cycle Troy-Bilt trimmer. The most powerful trimmer that Troy-Bilt makes. So I was like, what? So with a little help from Romeo, we got it running. And I was using that Troy-Bilt trimmer all last summer, pole saw and everything. And so at the beginning of this summer, the actual attachment went out. Because, mind you, I had that attachment ever since I started my business, which was 2012, and I used Troy-Bilt trimmers all the way up until 2014, and I was using the crap out of that pole saw attachment. So, with that being said, the pole saw attachment went out, the trimmer still worked fine, and I needed a new and I needed a small tiller. So that's what I got. And I'm gonna show y'all some footage of me using it for the first time. I'm gonna bust it out the box. And but that's my tip. You know what I mean? Think about it. If there's something like, I'm not gonna use this tiller, this little handheld tiller all the time, but with my business, I'm finding areas where I would need the tiller. So with that being said, I have a need for it, but it's not a high need. So with that being said, I can use that Troy-Bilt trimmer with that attachment. So what I'm saying is, if you went out and bought a Troy-Bilt trimmer, you probably should buy the best one, but the attachment's only $99. Some of the attachments are like $70. You know what I mean? It saves you a whole lot of money for something that you're not going to use that often. Yes, sir. Alright, so first thing I noticed about it, it's way heavier than I thought. This thing is solid. So, I'm going to be using this bad boy. I'm going to use it with that 4-cycle tiller over there, and get some work done. Yes, sir. Alright, so my initial reaction is it works exactly how it's supposed to. It's just rough. It's rough on you because it's a tiller. And you gotta think about, you know, when you're holding the tiller's doing most of the work. But now, I mean, like a regular tiller, but now with this tiller, you're holding it. So you're getting all that resistance from the ground. So if you got a bad back, you can't use this. I got a bad back. It's perfect for me because I got spots like these spots in the yard that I just need to till up small stuff like that. It's perfect for that. But if you got to use it to do like a whole garden or something, I definitely wouldn't recommend it for that. But it serves my purpose. So I think I'm gonna keep it. Yes, sir. Alright, had to break good old Franken tiller back out to finish this job. What's going on, guys? Just made it home. Pretty good day. I think that Trimmer Plus tiller attachment is going to be really good. Like I said, there's plenty of times where I have areas I need to till up that's small, this Franken tiller just way too big for, and so I think that's going to be something good. But like I said, that's a good way to save money. So thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and stay tuned. Yes, sir.